On my screen, you can see $32,982 earned as passive affiliate commission. Good money, good numbers, but that's not the most important thing. The most important number in here is these numbers, 17,029 hops. These are the customers who paid us money. Now the question is, how can you get customers? So let me show you customers, and in this video, I'm going to share 100,000 customers who are ready with their credit cards, waiting to put their money into your pocket. The best of the best part, this is completely beginner friendly. Anyone can do it, whether you are a beginner or a professional, whether you are just starting out or you already have an agency running. You don't need website, you don't need technical knowledge, you don't need hosting server, mailing list, or even social media following. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You can make money via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency. Sounds good? Let us begin. For demonstration, I have used my favorite keyword or customer research tool, Ubersuggest. You can use anything you want. I know that online stores attract only customers. People visit online stores, look for online stores with a buying intent. People don't browse around on online stores or look for online stores to spend time, or they don't go to online stores to watch videos. That being said, look at this. I just searched with online stores and here's what I found. 33,000 people every single month search with the keyword online stores for clothing. Another 33,000 people search for furniture online store. Now, online store clothing, online store for clothes, online store for clothing have 33,000 searches each. So 100,000 customers are already here. But if you look more, for example, books online store has 12,000 searches. Online store women's clothing has 9,900 searches. All these searches are searched by customers. How cool is that? There are literally more than a million customers on this page alone. The question is, do you have an online store? If you have an online store, you can attract these customers. Of course, for that, you can use Shopify, you can use Squarespace, you can use WooCommerce, but all they cost you a lot of money. Shopify charges you $29 to $299 per month for the basic store. For every add-on, you have to pay separately on monthly basis. WooCommerce is free, but you have to pay for your domain, hosting server, and extra add-ons and even themes. Squarespace is the same. That's why we built Grants. We know that online stores attract customers. We know a lot of people want to have their own online stores, but they can't because they can't afford to pay monthly recurring fees until they start making money. And that's why we built Grants. Grants is an online store building platform just like Shopify. It has all the bells and whistles and all the features you need without paying for add-ons and without paying monthly recurring fees. The sales page is pretty much clear, all the money made, all the testimonials, all the features, even the software and the store demo, all these income proofs, 23 amazing things that makes Grants the fastest online MegaStore creator, and people are loving it. So the link to Grants is in the description if you are looking for building an online store and attract all these customers, make them pay for what they are looking for and put money into your pocket, then consider Grants. Link is in the description, go grab it. Now your next problem is, Mosh, I don't have customers and I don't know where to get customers from. The answer is exactly what we do. We make simple 10 seconds to 1 minute videos using our own software, Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. So how do we attract customers using videos? Not like these videos. We don't record ourselves with cameras and microphone for our other 20 plus channels. For those channels, we use our software Epic. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence, then turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and Epic makes videos using image, links, and texts. And Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos, save them as campaigns, and when we are satisfied, we simply one click and our full-blown videos are made. whether it's 10-second videos or 10-minute videos. Now, Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before I show you customers, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the only one way we can achieve that goal is with your help. All we need from you is a hitting the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, your email, SMS, Telegram, and WhatsApp contact. Let them know how easy it is to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Help people with our videos. Share awesome information, helpful information. They love us, they trust us, and they buy from us. It will happen to you as well. Go ahead, like this video and share this video with everyone. Done? If you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So let's go and have customers for you. Now, you have already seen there are 12,000 people on Google every single month looking for online store for books. Let's say you build a bookstore using your grand store. Now you need customers. So what would you do? Here is an example. Use Epic, my software, link in the description. Make simple children's stories, 1 minute long stories. Let me share. I simply searched on my phone using Story, and here is the shorts feed. These shorts feed videos are 1 minute long or under 1 minute long videos. And can you see the number of views? The first video got 9 million views. The second video, 268 million views. 18 million and 17 million views. Now, if you compare our results, we made $32,000 from 17,000 customers or visitors. How much money will you make from your own online store with 17-18 million customers? You calculate. So why am I showing you these shorts or 1 minute long videos? Why not long videos? While long videos are awesome, even we make long videos, but Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to promote these Shorts videos in order to compete with TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. So if you make short videos, you're basically helping YouTube become more popular, and YouTube is pushing these short videos and these Shorts creators their best. So go ahead, use Epic. It's free, link is in the description, and make simple videos 1 minute long and publish on YouTube. Get free customers from you. Drive all your customers to your grand stores and make all the money you want. It's super simple. It will take just a few minutes to launch your first store, and it will take 3 to 5 minutes of your times to make 1 minute long videos and get free customers from YouTube. All the links are in the description. Start today. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section, and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want more. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. And we need your help for that. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know. Share this video with your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. And let people learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.